Hi everyone, I am Kashish. Today we are going to discuss about something very important, that is ceasefire. A ceasefire is something when both the countries stop war in between for some time. Now, the big question in front of us is, was ceasefire an intelligent decision or just a short break in between the war? Let's just keep it very simple. Now, the most important reason of ceasefire is to save the life because life is very important. As during the war, many innocent people got killed and injured. So, in the ceasefire, the country allowed the member of medical and aid team to reach out to their war affected area so that they can provide them a basic amenities like food, water, and medicine for helping them. Along with this, it also provides a country a place where they can sit and decide over a solution because fighting in war can never be a permanent solution. The fighting can create a huge problems in the future. So, the basic means of ceasefire is to avoid the violence. During the ceasefire, the economy also get relief because the war affects the country economy and its infrastructure. Let's just take the example of Russia and Ukraine war. In 2023, after having a month of fight, the both countries having the agreement of ceasefire, where they also allowed a humanitarian aid so that they can provide the basic amenities to the war affected area and can also help them to come out from the problems. But remember, not all ceasefire is good. Some countries use this time to prepare for the next fight. So again, we are on the same question. Is the ceasefire is an intelligent decision or not? Yes, of course. It is an intelligent decision when it is completely focusing upon saving the individual's life or for long lasting peace. So that's all from my side. Thank you for being with me. Stay curious and think smart. See you next time.